Look at this number right here, $1,500. Every single day, local business in the US are paying exactly that amount for what is essentially 15 minutes of work. Let me give you the brutal truth. To make this $15,000, you don't need to edit videos, you don't need to design a website, and you definitely don't need to site on Fiverr beginning for a client. The job is building a simple AI chatbot for the website of foreign dental clinic or real estate agencies. And here is the secret: you don't need to write a single line of code to build this. The AI does 100% of the heavy lifting. Today I am going to show you how to start your own AI automation agency with zero coding skill and how to charge US client $1,000 to $1,500 per setup. Did you know what is the biggest problem for local business in America? They lose customer at 2 AM. When the potential client visit their website and ask, "Are you open tomorrow?" nobody is able to reply. The customer gets annoyed and goes to a competitor. This is thousands of dollars down the drain for the business owner. We are going to solve this exact problem. We are going to build an AI chatbot that site on their website, talk to customer like a real human 24/7, answer their question and books appointment. When the American business owners see this magic, they happily pay a $1,500 setup fee and $100 every single month to keep it running. Do you need to be a software engineer to build this? Zero. We are going to use no-code AI platform like Chatbase or Dent AI. Log into the platform, click new chatbot. Now just copy the link of that dental clinic's website and paste it right here. Only 10 seconds. The AI just read the entire website, the clinic service, their prices, their location. It is all permanently saved in this chatbot's brain. Boom! Your chatbot is ready. No coding, no headaches. The product is ready. But where do you find the American clients? Go to Google Maps, search for roofing companies in Texas or plumbers in New York. Copy their website link, drop into Chatbase and build a free custom chatbot for them in 2 minutes. Now send them this exact email. "Hey, I built a custom AI chatbot for your website that will reply your customer 24/7. Click this link to test it out and talk to it." When that business owner click the link and sees a bot that knows everything about their company and replying like a human, their mind will blown. They will literally beg you to get on a Zoom call. Now for the best part, how was the money hit your bank account? For the business model, you charge the client in 2 ways. Number 1, the setup fee. You charge a one-time fee on $1,000 to $1,500 just to integrate the bot into their website. Number 2, the monthly retainer. You charge $99 every single month for maintenance and keeping the bot online. If you close just 3 clients a month, you are making $4,500, and every single month your recurring passive income keeps stacking up. Go to Chatbase today, build a free bot and start practicing. See you next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.